Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Fox Body Cam, and the title of the video is her 50,000 fake check scam backfired badly. Her 50K fake check scam backfired badly. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
Bank fraud case.
You don't have to disrespect my mom neither.
Stop touching me! You are under arrest.
Hey, I just want to make sure my
Miss Spain, can you come talk to me, please?
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
We'll step right in there if you don't mind. You can have a seat right there if you want. So I'm Detective Weekly with the Cockeysbury Sheriff's.
Wait, hold on. Did he have her mugshot in his phone? Hold on.
We'll step right in there if you don't.
Whoa. Y'all see that? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Let's see. Can I make it a little bigger? Yeah, there we go. Wow. Got a whole mugshot in there. Ain't that something? Wow. All right. Whatever. Let's continue.
You can have a seat right there if you want. So I'm Detective Weekly with the Cockeysbury Sheriff's Office. I'm a financial crimes detective. I have a case where your name has come up. It's case number 24-3117. It's a bank fraud case.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming up here for.
You coming up here for some bank fraud stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So before I ask you any questions, I have a form that I'd like you to sign. Miranda rights form. So I just need to fill out some information on it, and then we'll get right into it. So we're at 2255 East McNeese Street, Southwest Louisiana Credit Union. Also present is Miss Linda Sterling and Christina Davis. Y'all are bank employees.
I'm the chief lending officer.
Chief lending officer.
Chief risk officer.
Chief risk officer.
That's what I'm here to clear up. I didn't come and deposit anything. I'm just now finding out about what's happening and what's going on with my account.
Is that somebody with you right there?
Yeah, that's my mother. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my account as well. That I just left the one that saw it.
You went to get a debit card as well.
Yeah, I went to go get my debit card,
And
but yeah, I was in my account and I'm looking or whatever, and
Ma'am, you can step outside. Please step outside.
Mama, just step out. I'm trying to figure out the same thing.
If you interfere in my investigation, I will place you under arrest. Please step outside. She's an adult. She's an adult.
Okay, but you don't have to disrespect my mama
neither. Step outside, ma'am.
And you don't have to. And I'm going to tell you, you don't have to disrespect my mom neither.
I'm not going to ask you again.
At the same time, like that's what I'm here for. Just my clothes.
That's the one thing with, you know, and you know, I'm not a parent, so I don't understand this, but once you hit 18, you're an adult, okay? Whether when you get in trouble with the law and all that stuff, you don't have to be present as the parent. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course, you know, you want to make sure things is being done accordingly or whatever, but when the cop asks you to step out, she's an adult. That's what it is. It's not like she's a minor where you have to kind of represent the adult, you know what I'm saying? But or the child, you know what I'm saying? But she's an adult. It's a wrap.
Door, please close the door.
450. Can you send me a patrol unit?
You don't have to be disrespectful towards anybody's parents. That's my mother. She's trying to figure out what's going on.
It's none of her business.
It is her business.
It's not.
It is.
You are an adult.
It doesn't matter, and that's still my mother.
Can you please lower your voice?
I don't have to lower anything.
Okay.
Anyways, ma'am, like I was saying, that I was looking in my account because I had did a flash loan or something like that. Yeah, and they called me earlier. And so I was like, well, my debit card got lost. So I was like, I need another debit card. So I told them that I would be coming up there to get another one. So that's what I went to do. And then that's when she told me that I needed to speak with someone from the risk department. So then I came here.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. If I wanted to do anything fraud, why would I walk in here myself? That's pointless. But that's what I was here to clear up. I'm trying to figure out which risk or whatever is going on, and what happened, something about a $50,000 check was deposited into my account that I did not deposit. I didn't sign off on anything, no, nothing. That's what I'm here for.
You remember me calling you and talking?
I remember a lady calling me, but that's what I'm saying. And I have a settlement or whatever that's going on right now. That's what I thought it was. Until I check, I'm like, this is not what I'm waiting for. Yes, this is not what I'm waiting for.
You said you had
It's my cousin had deposited a check into my account. That's what I'm saying. It was not me.
All right, Miss Spain, I have this form. Can you make sure
I'm not signing nothing until I see everything that you have
Go ahead
going
and stand
on.
up. Go ahead and stand up for me, please.
Stand up for what? I just want to see what's going on first. I don't want to be arrested for something that I don't even know anything about. That's why I'm here.
Look, I tried to get a statement from you.
I'm giving you a statement, but I want to know.
No, you just told me you're not signing anything, so I can't ask you any questions.
What you have first?
No, ma'am. You can go ahead and stand up.
I don't want to be arrested for something that I did not do.
It's too late. The decision's already been made. Go ahead and stand up.
Honestly, I like that cop. I like that cop, man. Yeah, listen, you not dictating nothing around here. He said he got this Miranda rights form. He said it in the beginning. He said, I got this Miranda rights form that I want you to, read, and I need you to sign it or whatever. Boom. So he been filling it out. Boom. I'm sure on the form it actually has the Miranda rights or whatever the case may be. All you got to do is look at it. Boom. Okay. Sign. You know what I'm saying? All right. If you don't want to sign, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. But either way, you still getting arrested, because even at the end of the statement, you still gonna get arrested. So it don't even matter. You know what I'm saying? So, and whatever you was telling that lady is already on body cam or whatever. So it is what it is. But yeah, we not sitting here playing games with you, man. The first incident was boom, yelling and all of that. Boom, boom, boom. Nah, listen. We ain't playing games with you, man. Come on. You you used to this, man. You not new to this. You true to this. You know what I'm saying? That's how we that's what it is. He already got your mug shot up there. Like, so you not no rookie. You know what time it is.
What am I being arrested for,
Please stand
though?
up. Miss Spain, please stand up.
Can y'all please, tell
I'm
me
not
what's
gonna ask you
going
again.
on?
Please stand up, Miss Spain.
Sir. I was silent.
It's too late now.
How is it too late? You didn't give me a chance to talk.
Do not resist. Do not pull away.
Sir, stop touching me.
Stop pulling away.
You didn't give me a chance to talk. No. Stop touching me.
Miss Spain.
Stop touching me.
You better.
Stop touching. Sir, I'm telling you, stop touching me.
Assault on a
Do
Leo.
not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
450, 33.
Where's my mom? Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Give me your hand, Miss
No.
Colbiante. Give me your
Sir,
hand.
do not
you are
touch
under
me.
arrest.
Arrest for what? I didn't
Take
do
charge.
anything.
Give me your hand.
I did not do anything.
Miss Spain.
I didn't, sir. I
You are
didn't
under
do
arrest.
anything.
Miss Spain, you are under arrest.
Please, where's my mom? Can you get my
Miss
mom?
Spain, you are under arrest.
Can you get my mom? Stop touching me.
Miss Spain, you are under
I'm telling
arrest.
you right now to stop touching me, sir.
Miss Spain, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss Spain, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss Spain,
Krista,
Miss
I'm
Spain.
going to jail for something that I did not do. Bro,
Spain,
stop touching
give me your hand,
me.
Miss Spain.
I'm at the bank trying to get another
Oh,
debit
now
card.
she's resisting.
And they came in here, a fucking sheriff or something came up in here talking about I'm under arrest for bank fraud. I didn't even do anything.
Stand up, Miss Spain. You're under
sir,
arrest.
I'm telling you, don't touch me.
Miss Spain, you are under
No,
arrest.
I'm not. Don't touch me.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me. Krista, please
Miss
help
Spain,
me.
you're under arrest. You can figure all this stuff out later, but you're already under arrest for battery of a police officer and resisting arrest, force, or
Krista.
violence. You're under arrest for attempted bank fraud, so go ahead and
I didn't
please
do
stand
no
up.
attempted bank fraud. I didn't do anything.
I have the probable cause, Miss Spain.
What
Go ahead and
probable
stand up
cause?
for me.
You didn't show me any evidence.
Stand up for me, Miss
Krista,
Spain.
call my mama, please.
Miss Spain, stand up.
She outside.
Stand up.
It's 337-426. Stop touching me.
You are under arrest.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Stop it. Come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Dang, it's going down. And then it's like, you got the one lady who's the lender, the black lady, the older lady, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, she probably like, damn, Why she have to do this? And then you got Mom Dukes over there. Like, I know Mom Dukes, she gonna ride or die with her kid regardless. But like, I know she probably fed up with her. I ain't gonna lie, like, because you keep going back and forth to jail. They already got the mugshot of you, so you know they. But yeah, all he was waiting for was backup. Once backup arrived, it's lit.
Call my mama. Okay, I'm gonna get your mama, but you stop.
In your hand.
I'm gonna get your mama. So you just.
You got cuffs?
I didn't do anything. Okay, well we gonna figure this out. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, well then we gonna do that. But
Stop getting him off of me. I don't want him touching me. Sir, can you please get me up? I don't want him touching me.
Okay,
Stop touching me.
I got it.
Stop fucking touching me.
Come on. Get
you're
up,
gonna
baby.
have to come on.
Come on.
Linda.
Look.
Let me get her a taste of her.
Okay.
Hey, you wanna go this way?
Can you please?
She's under arrest for attempted bank fraud, battery of a PO, resisted force or violence.
Okay.
You can call the jail to find out what her bond is.
Covert job. She resist.
Me?
Resisting.
So did you hit my child though, sir?
No, but she hit me.
Okay.
It's all on body camera. You can get a copy of the video from the sheriff's office. Please don't approach.
Tell him to get away from me, like seriously.
Cody, I say just calm down and just go ahead.
do nothing. That's all I tried to tell him.
All right, well just go ahead. Just go ahead. We're gonna figure it out. Just go ahead.
Don't create any more trouble for yourself.
Let me go get my papers. Sir, can you look at me, please? What's your, can I get your name? Felton Charles.
Yeah.
Do you want to give me a statement?
Statement?
Yeah.
I don't even know what's going on. She asked for a ride to the bank. I came brought her here, and all y'all here.
Well, a check was deposited into her account, and it's a fake check. Would you like to give me a statement?
Can't give me a statement. I don't know what's going on. I just told you she asked for a ride. I gave her.
Well, I just told you what I'm currently investigating. Mr. Charles, do you want to give me a statement or?
I gave you a statement. She asked for a ride to the bank.
That's not what my statement's going to be about. I just told you a counterfeit check was deposited in her
I don't have nothing
account.
to do with that. Does my name on there? Is my name on there? Anything?
Listen, listen, those boys, they're ready. You see Corporal right here. You see son right here. I don't know. He's not necessarily a sergeant, I don't think, but he's maybe corporal, some sort of supervisor. But yeah, them boys is ready, boy. You might want to tighten up. You want to give a statement, boy? You know how them boys is coming. You already know how them boys is coming. You want to give a statement or not? You hear me? What? You don't? Okay, we gonna get you right. You gonna act right today. Oh my gosh. She said, what? I already told her, I don't care what your statement is. We said, what? You got the big farm boy right here. He looking like, oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, you better tighten up, boy. You better get your words together, okay? Oh man, hold on. I gotta run this back a little bit because that is hilarious. I ain't gonna lie to
She
you.
asked for a ride to the bank.
That's not what my statement's going to be about. I just told you a counterfeit check was deposited in her
I don't have nothing
account.
to do with that. Does my name on there? Is my name on there? Anything? I don't have nothing to do with that. What about that?
Hold on. You gotta peep this dude. Oh wait, hold on. Peep this guy finger. That boy finger itching, boy. Watch. It start twitching. When he start getting loud and all that stuff, watch. Pay attention to this dude finger. Listen, this farm boy right here, listen. In the summertime, you know, some kids, they may go away to different camps. They may go see their family. They may go on vacation, stuff like this. Listen, this guy right here, in the summers, this guy was just baling hay. You know what I'm saying? Lifting hay barrels on the farm, getting muddy down, dirty every single, and then he just wait all summer just so August could come and he could get back to playing football. This guy right here, Listen, this is one of them farm boys right here. Watch this finger though. Watch this finger right here. Watch this finger.
Does my name on there? Is my name on there? Anything?
Oh yeah, that thing twitching, boy.
Wait, what about that? Let me see that.
Is that you?
No, that ain't me.
It looks like you.
No, that ain't. Well, do what you want to do. Come on. Let's ride. I'm not have time for this. You keep on asking me something. I'm telling you. She asked for a ride to the bank. I can't give her a ride to the bank. How many statements you want me to give you?
I'm not getting upset with you.
Stop yelling because he's pissing me off. Okay, you keep on asking me the same thing over and over and over.
He's asking if you want to talk to him about a case that he's working.
I don't know nothing about a case. He asked me to give him a statement.
Talk with him about it.
For what? I don't know nothing. I just told him what I know.
If you want to talk about it.
I'll tell you what,
Mr. Do I want to give him a statement? I just gave him a statement. She asked for a ride to the bank. I can't even.
Mr. Charles, I'll tell you what. This is what we'll do. I'll give you a card with a phone number and the case number on it. If you decide you want to give me a statement about that check being deposited into her account, you can give me a call, okay?
See, that's what I'm talking about. You're pissing me off. You're trying to manipulate me right now. That's what you're really trying to do.
No.
Man, look.
All I did was ask if you wanted a statement. I'll tell you what. If you decide you want to give me a statement concerning that check, you give me a call, okay? I'm waiting for my evidence guys to get up here so they could take some pictures of me.
Is that him or not?
I believe so.
Because it had braids in the hair. And that's the mama over there.
I believe it is him. He gave me his name. He does.
It had braids.
He keeps saying
braids on the picture.
I think that's him.
Yeah, he keeps saying he doesn't want to give me a statement.
Figure out what's going on.
You want to be ugly?
I'm not trying to be ugly, sir. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Like, I really don't know what's going on. Like, I
Bank
really
fraud.
don't. Okay.
We're investigating bank fraud.
Okay. I don't do bank fraud. So you're investigating that with my daughter? I'm Amita Charles. That's my daughter.
That's your daughter.
Yes, ma'am. And she.
This is your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna go let them know that they could go. Ma'am,
Yes.
y'all are free to go. Just letting y'all know that tire's low.
Okay.
I don't want y'all to have a blowout or something.
Oh, girl.
All right.
Mama. Sir, so you gonna be at the office where she's going?
I'm going to do my paperwork, and she's going to be booked into the Calcutta Correctional Center at
Okay, and I'm
5410
sorry
East
she
Broad.
did that to your eye.
It's part of the job. I completely understand. It shouldn't have happened, but I understand the position she was in.
But the way he talked to me when I was trying to figure out, like, he was just saying I was interrupting, but I guess he was just, it was all a part of your investigation.
So I've been doing this job for 10, 11 years now. Usually whenever a family member comes in and sees a cop talking to their family member like a daughter and they come interrupt, I'd like to be as respectful as possible, but her being an adult, it's nobody else's business. If she wants to tell you after I'm done talking to her,
Okay.
that's her decision.
Okay.
But I'm also not gonna, I can't be having people interrupt, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even like having the bank employees in there because people, whenever they're listening to, whenever I'm getting a statement, they tend to start interrupting, and that affects my statement. I didn't like having them in there, but the bank is the victim on this case.
Okay.
So, they've got information that they might be able to clarify information. So it was kind of a lot easier to have them in there while I tried to interview her. She didn't want to give me a statement. She did not want to go to jail. I've got the evidence. I've got the probable cause to book her. So she's going to be booked in for the attempted bank fraud and then also the resist and force or violence for whenever I went to go detain her. So it's part of the job. It shouldn't be. I hate that it is. I hate that anyone gets put in that position. It is what it is. I don't hold it against you. I don't hold it against Mr. Felton there. That was a decision Colbiante made herself.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
yes, ma'am.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.